Ooh, interesting. An electric car, truck manufacturer's product production chief joined Stellantis. Somebody from Rivian. Wasn't Rivian having issues with their production at one point? I don't know. Well, at least they know how to make electric vehicles. I mean, we know that. They're on the road. Coming to Stellantis. Interesting.
For the longest time. Whoa. For the longest
Yo, Percocet, Miley Percocet, Percocet, Miley Percocet, represent, got it.
What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage. And it looks like the EV startup Rivian's production chief joins Stellantis. I'll put this up here. Rivian's head of manufacturing is leaving the electric vehicle startup to join Stellantis at a time when the maker of the Jeep SUV and Ram pickup is preparing to launch a number of battery-powered cars. Tim Fallon will join Stellantis as its head of manufacturing in North America effective September 2nd, Stellantis said in a statement. Interesting. Rivian, known for its R1S SUVs and R1T pickups, appointed its head of logistics, Carlo Matarazzo, a former Stellantis executive, to oversee production in the interim. So y'all just trading people, huh? Oh, man. I think that's funny. CEO RG Scaringe, I don't even know if that's the way you say that name, said in an internal email seen by Reuters, Fallon's exit comes at a crucial time for Rivian, which is expanding its only facility in Normal, Illinois, to produce the smaller and less expensive R2 SUV that many analysts see as critical to the startup's success amid a slowdown in demand for EVs. Fallon, see, I didn't know where this guy came from, but this is Fallon, a former Nissan executive, oversaw a manufacturing plant overhaul this year at Rivian, which included a 3-week shutdown of the normal plant, meant to simplify production and slash costs. Cool. So you hired another Carlos Tavares-esque type of person to come in and cut more jobs and get more lean and fast and agile, right? More layoffs coming. We've had different leaders as we approach different levels of scaling our business, a Rivian spokesperson said. Confirming that Fallon's exit. We're positioning the organizational structure for the future. Fallon joins Stellantis as we enter this critical stage of our transformation, with this year marking the start of our electric vehicle offensive. The American-French-Italian automaker aims to roll out 25 EV models in the U.S. by 2030. The company plans to soon launch a Jeep EV model in the U.S. costing less than $25,000. I'll believe that when I see it. I think that is complete bullshit. But there's the news. Rivian's production chief joins. Evidently, he's a big cost cutter. He likes to cut people, shut down plants, do all that fun stuff. So, congratulations, Stellantis. More cutting coming soon. More jobs to be lost, evidently. I guess they haven't learned yet. Let me know what you guys think in the comments section down. I don't know what you want me to say, man. I mean, the news is the news. I just, oh my God. You gotta be kidding me, man. Like, I didn't know anything about this dude. I got to be honest. I don't know much about Rivian. I mean, outside of I see their vehicles once in a while, and I've seen other YouTubers rebuild them and whatever. I don't know much about the company, what they were doing. But to know that this guy came from Nissan, shocker. So did Carlos Tavares. And they probably have the same philosophy, which according to this, yeah, you shut down the plant, cut a bunch of jobs, got more lean. Yeah, you're going to do that in North America too, right? You're the head of North American manufacturing. Oof. It looks like the salary and union guys are going to have to... I start looking for another job, man. I got to be honest. This don't look good on the home front, I can tell you that. Anyways, let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Give the video a big thumbs up if you like what I do. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And as always, stay petty, my friends.